Hey folks, today is September the 24th. It's currently about 6 o'clock in the afternoon. We're going to look at doing our Agimat EA week number 26 live trading update review. If you guys will recall, last week we did 0.92%. The week before that we did 0.68%. And the week before that we did 0.99%. This week is going to be interesting, so we can take a look and see if we were able to pass that $3,000 mark. So let's go ahead now and jump in and see if we were able to. Where is Agimat? There it is. And we can scroll down here to the bottom. We can definitely see our equity curve is looking as beautiful as ever. And we're currently at 46.82% overall. Let's go ahead and jump in. All right, so this week we did extremely well, 1.68%. And look at our balance, $3,015.67. And if we take a look at drawdown over here, very slight drawdown. We'll take a look at that once we jump into the VPS, but definitely happy to see we're able to get back over 1% again, 1.68%. So definitely happy to see that. And we can see here for the month of September, we're currently at 4.13%. We still have one more week to go. So we'll see what we're able to get to here. I know last month we had, 4.72%. So we'll see if we can beat last month. I'm not really concerned about getting up to these levels. Some months we're going to be able to do that. And other months, I'm just happy to be in the green. So right now, we can... I just set a personal goal to see if we can get past 4.72% for the month, and I'll be happy with that. Honestly, I'll be happy even at 4%. So let's go ahead now and take a look at this week's news before we jump into the VPS and take a look at your comments on the YouTube channel here. All right, so Monday, nothing there that could have really impacted us here. Tuesday, nothing there. Wednesday, we had, federal funds rate, existing home sales as well. And looks like Thursday, we had quite a few news releases here. And let's see, flash manufacturing PMI, unemployment claims, GBP monetary policy. I do not believe we're trading anything to do with GBP. Actually, we are, GBP USD. My mistake. There it is right there. All right, so definitely that GBP news could have impacted us here. Let's check Friday. USD new home sales. So if the number is different enough, that can definitely give us a spike in one direction or the other. All right, let's now take a look at the VPS and see how things look on that end. So as always, we can see we got our smiley face up here. Smiley face up there, so everything's running properly. Statement uploaded successfully for my FX book. And as we can see, we have now a $3,015 account, and we have $19 in drawdown going into the weekend. So definitely okay with $19 in drawdown on a $3,000 account. And since we did hit that $3,000 goal, coming up over the weekend, I'll try to get, I'm not going to say the number, but you guys can check the MyFX book account on Monday, and you can see how much I add to the account. But I'll just say that I definitely do plan to add more funds to this account over the weekend, and we'll also be adding one new currency pair. We'll take a look at our options here momentarily, but let's go ahead and check out the account history. All right, first day of the week was the 20th. So we got started about right there. And as we can see, we started out a few small wins. And here's a group of trades here. Looks like we had a $17 loss, $11 loss, and then we had this $46 win and this $7.38 win to close out the group in profit. And here's another group of trades here. Looks like we had a $9 loss, $4 loss, and a $14 loss. And then what put us in profit in this group was this nice $42 win, $5 win, and a $7 win. Make sure that's in the same group. Nope. So this group is just the 42 and the $5. And let's keep on going down. Got 2 trades in this group, $6.19. And then we had a 19-cent loss there. And then our last little group here, we have a $5.53 win and a 46-cent win to close out the week. So definitely happy to see that we were able to get a winning week above 1% again. I think it was 1.68%. So if you're seeing, under 1%, the market comes in cycles, so we're not always going to get 1 and 2%. So just be patient with it if you happen to start or get started trading with Agimat on a week that was, let's go back here, like one of these weeks where we ended up with 0.68%. So in this week we did 1.68%. Let's get back over here. All right. So again, definitely happy to see things are continuing to go well with Agimat. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this other account here that's trading every currency pair they recommend. And we can come down, click on summary. At present, we're trading AUD USD and GBP USD. And what I'm looking at adding is either Euro USD or USD CAD. I'm honestly leaning towards Euro USD. Let's look at the profit here. All right, so Euro USD has $1,957 in profit. USD CAD has $2,026 in profit at present. And Euro USD is at 72% win rate. And this is at 69% win rate. So I think I'm going to most likely stick with Euro USD unless you guys in the comments can give me a reason why I should go with USD CAD instead. Let me know in the comments below if you can think of any reason. But I'm most likely going to stick with Euro USD unless I read something from you guys that causes me to change my mind here. And give me 1 second. Long trades, short trades, and this is just overall. So Euro USD has taken fewer trades. And of course, that could be one of the reasons why it has a smaller profit here. All right, so yep, most likely by Monday, you guys will see either Euro USD or USD CAD added. And of course, you guys can just come to the website here and easily just click on this right here. And this is going to show you, you'll be able to actually see which currency pairs that I'm trading. Right now, just AUD USD and GBP USD. And also, you should be able to see that I've added deposits here. Right now, I deposited $2,000, but come Monday, this will most likely have changed to a different number. So you can check that yourselves to see, or you can wait till next Friday's video to see at that point. All right, give me 1 second. There was one other thing I wanted to show you guys on the website here. All right, so George sent over his MyFXbook link so we can actually follow along with his progress. All right, so this week, George actually did 3.06%. So George is doing extremely well, and he's also with LQDFX, and he's on a live account. You can see real up here. And we can see that he deposited $5,000, updated 1 hour ago, so we know that that's running properly. He does have some drawdown going into the weekend here. But again, up over 3% in 1 week. Definitely can't complain about that. And for the month of September, he's actually up 10.77%. So his account is doing extremely well. And I might have to ask him if he's running some special account, because I can't see why his is getting such a high return with Agimat. But definitely congrats on that. No complaints whatsoever, I'm sure there. All right, let's go ahead now and take a look over here, and I will refresh the page so we can make sure we're getting the latest comments here. All right. What is this here? Hey y'all, quick question to everyone here while we wait for Larry's next update. So far, I've been doing all of my Forex tracking and projections through spreadsheet. I've been doing this for years only because I assume that there are no portfolio and projections for Forex. Google doesn't return anything at all for me, so there is a chance that I'm simply not Googling the right terms. Are any of you aware of any Forex portfolio projection software or application out there? We'd love to hear. So if you guys have any idea of something that would fit his needs, what is this? MyFX book is great, but it's just missing the projection aspect, as well as the fact that it doesn't appear to include swaps, only interest. So if anybody has an answer to his question, please come down here, click reply, and let him know. All right, let's see here. Thanks for the video. Have you heard anything about the latest Agimat updates? No, I have not. All right, 6 days ago, Kelvin wrote 2.06% gain this week and 3.37% drawdown going to the weekend. Trading GBP USD, AUD USD, and Euro USD. Default risk, lot settings, broker, XC, trader. All right, account size 3,800 Canadian. All right, so very nice, 3.37%. And one thing I always end up forgetting is I'm only trading 2 currency pairs. So it's possible some of you guys are definitely trading more. And actually, let me come back over here and see what okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So he's actually trading all 6 currency pairs. So that definitely, we have to take that into account. So hopefully when I add Euro USD, my results will resemble Kelvin's here. So we'll just have to wait and see. Thanks for the week 25 review. All right, CoinEx live, 1.29%. This was 6 days ago. Leverage 1 to 500. Current max drawdown 18.88%. Pairs AUD USD and GBP USD. Very nice. Let's see here. Khalid, Tickmill ECN Pro, count size 6,000. Previous week 0.33%. Now I know you had contacted the vendor to adjust profitability. This week there's nothing changed. I contacted him again, and now I'm waiting for a reply. Yeah. Definitely keep us updated on this. I know this was 6 days ago, so let us know under this video if you were able to get more profits this week, because that definitely should be a bit higher. All right, James, this week results 1.64%, account size 5,000, LQDFX. LQDFX seems to be the ideal broker for Agimat. I've known people that are using other brokers and they end up switching over to LQDFX, and the results, or the difference in results, is seen almost immediately here. All right, pairs, all 5. All right, what is your starting lot size? All right, 1.36 for me. I've switched brokers, so my leverage is now 1 to 500. I'm running 4 pairs on a $3,500 account. All right, I'm using 0.01. The EA does this automatically. Thank you for your reply. Minus 0.012. 36% in a month from the EA Agimat. How is the drawdown? All right, so he's saying 1.36% for me this week. I'm not seeing where he said 36% in 1 month. I might be missing it. All right, which version of Agimat is it, please? I'm using the latest version of the EA. All right, YouTube's at it again, deleting comments. Here are my numbers. All right, US broker, 0.83%. LQDFX broker, 3.66%. And George, like I said, has also shared his MyFX book with us, so we can actually follow that along and see how he's doing for the week. All right, and these are, so we got some spam here. So I'll go through and get rid of those and block them so they can't speak anymore. All right, so definitely pleased with the way things are going with Agimat here. And what are we on? Week number 26 now. Let me head back over here. All right, so 26 weeks of live testing, guys. So like I said, at this point, this is more of a journey than a review. Hopefully Agimat will continue giving us profits here. We'll definitely over the weekend add some more funds to it and add Euro USD. And we'll see going forward how things move for us. All right, so as always, if you guys have any questions whatsoever on the Agimat EA, you can send those my way, or you can always ask here in the comment section. I'm sure somebody will chime in and hopefully answer them for you, but I'm always here as well. And if you want to test out Agimat for yourself, make sure you guys use the link below to help support the channel. Hope you guys have a great weekend, And I can't wait till next week's Friday update. Should be very interesting. I'll talk to you guys then. Take care.